and we are in San Luis Obispo on the central coast of California. This is a Sunday, so this is Surfliner schedule 1761 arriving. With a Cascade cabbage car on the rear, the cab car that does baggage. And the Surfliners here in San Luis Obispo. Every other day it's a Pacific Surfliner train set, or it is a Amfleet Horizon train set. Today we're Amfleet Horizon. And we have the Genesis engine number 84 be powering this train back to San Diego. And this is Amtrak train 1761, the Pacific Surfliner with Amfleet Horizon equipment today, getting ready to depart from San Luis Obispo.